Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you. We're going to take a quick tour of the beautiful city of Chattagram. So, buckle up and join us as we explore the stunning landscapes, vibrant culture, and mouth-watering cuisine of this amazing place. Chattagram is a city that truly embodies the spirit of adventure. From its breathtaking beaches to its lush forests, there's something for everyone here. We'll be taking you on a journey through the city's history, its modern-day attractions, and the local traditions that make it so unique. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to be inspired by the beauty of Chattagram. We'll be sharing our insights, tips, and recommendations on the best places to visit, the most delicious dishes to try, and the hidden gems that only the locals know about. We're excited to share this experience with you, and we hope you'll enjoy it as much as we do. Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel adventures. Until next time, happy exploring!